So we bought a house and we are making it our own. We are completely gutting the inside. So I show a lot of houses and I always have visions. Last house we bought, we completely opened up walls, moved the whole kitchen around, and that's what we're doing here again. Fortunately, I found it off market and was able to negotiate a win-win for us. And so now it's a adventure. So we'll take a peek inside. All right, so the carpet will come out. We're refinishing it. Looks like our hardwood guy already put in those that were metal before. So love the 2-story, but there were so many walls in here before. And so what we did, so this is just support because we had to put in these beams. So there used to be a bar right here. And I have some pictures. They was pretty much straight out of the 80s, but we've got some nice 9-foot ceilings. So opened it up, the wall, the kitchen actually used to come to here, but we pushed everything back, which is why we had to put in the beam to open it all up. And they just had a sink back in the corner. We're adding one into the island as well. There was a whole wall here and here. There used to be like a bar area, so it was very closed off. This is like the bump out. So we'll paint that white yard. So it's exciting and overwhelming all at the same time. And then we're actually moving the laundry. So this was the laundry room. And again, like this wall actually was here, but then the kitchen appliances came out to here. So really try to open it up. So when we go into properties, it's always kind of like, what can we do with this? So when I found out about this property that never hit the market, I saw a vision. And so this is gonna be a mudroom now, off the garage. So just a little sneak peek of what chaos is going on in our new home, but oh yeah, and then we're gonna take out these and put in some new railings, just try to modernize it some, but exciting and overwhelming.